Welcome to Wassenger. Today we are going to learn how to schedule messages. In the chat view, choose the conversation you wish to message, then type your message in the text box. Now, click on the small clock icon from the bottom panel. A calendar will pop up, allowing you to pick the exact date and time for your message to be sent. Once the date and time are set, simply click on the green Schedule button to confirm. After ensuring all details are correct, go ahead and click the Send button to complete the process. To view your scheduled messages, click on the Scheduled tab located just above the text box. Here, you'll notice a small icon indicating the number of messages scheduled and currently showing one. By clicking the small arrow in the top right corner of your scheduled message, a menu will appear, giving you options to copy, open, edit, clone, or delete the message. Thank you for using Wassenger, and see you in